Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik classes. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about Playwright. Why Playwright? Why it is important in automation testing? Why companies are using Playwright? And what are the applications of Playwright? What are the applications of Playwright? Without waiting, let- let's go to the our today's session. So before going to today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about who who are the eligible for this course and who can join and what we are going to learn in this course, what exactly you need to get hired. Okay, and what is the purpose of playwright. These things we have discussed in the last class. What is project based or service based, and also what is product based. Okay, these kind of things we have discussed earlier. Now we are going to discuss about why playwright. Why playwright and why companies are using it. Why companies are using playwright. Okay, so the reason behind this playwright is, first of all, it has less code when compared to Selenium or other scripting languages. It is having some, less code. Okay, and it will execute fast. Okay, fast execution, and it supports multiple browsers. I think in the last class also I had mentioned what are the browsers it is support. Uh, no. Okay. Hmm. So okay, in today's class we can also discuss about this thing also. Okay. So and also automates feature, modern automation framework. It is an Playwright is an modern automation framework. Next, it has lot of job opportunities. It has lot of job opportunity. For suppose if you open the Chrome and Naukri, let's go to the Naukri and let's check it. Naukri.com. So if you go here, you see we are having lot of job opportunities using Playwright. See how many jobs are there. Playwright, manual testing and Playwright. So many automation job roles are there with the Playwright. Okay, all are included Playwright only. Okay, so in order to grab these kind of job opportunities, then we have to learn thoroughly about the Playwright. Okay, now you know the importance of Playwright, right? Okay, so why, first of all, why companies are using it? The first thing here we have to note is less coding. Next, fast execution. Next, support multiple browser supports multiple browsers. Next, automates feature. Automates feature. Next thing, it is a modern automation test framework. Modern automation framework. And final thing, lot of job opportunities. Lot of job opportunities. Okay. So here, as long as web applications are there, automation testing options will also be there. Because if you design one application, then it just definitely needs some testing. For suppose Naukri.com, it is also requires some testing whether the all the applications are working as expected or not. If you go to any other site, those are also required. For suppose Flipkart home. Okay, so here it also required the testing. It is an web application, right? So it is so we have to test each and every thing in this website. Okay, then only the user or I mean client knows that it is bug free. Okay, so we have to click everything. I mean every product or every option or button. Okay, then if it is opening, then okay. If it's not opening, then we have to raise a Jira for this thing. Okay, so everything we have to click on whether it is working or not. Like that, we have to ways to check. So uh, as long as web application is there, automation testing opportunities are also will also be there. Okay, will also be there. Next here, we have discussed about less coding. It requires very less coding, as we know, and also fast execution. If you write the script, then if you want to execute, then you can. It will take very less time. Okay, it will take very less time, and it supports multiple browsers. Multiple browsers in the sense Chrome, uh, Edge, okay, Safari, like that. Next, it main thing in Playwright is auto weights feature. Auto weight feature in Selenium we used to write the explicit weights, okay, implicit or explicit weight, but in Playwright it will automatically uh, wait for the application to respond. For suppose if you click on any one particular product, okay, but it is opening very clear, okay, I mean very fast, but sometimes it will take lot of time. Okay. Uh, so lot of time. if you are using any Selenium or any other tool, then it will take. I mean, we have to write the external, I mean, weights to whether the application to respond. Okay, but here we don't no need to write any weights. It will automatically wait for the application to respond. Okay, next, so modern automation framework. Next, it has lot of job opportunities. I had already shown you in Naukri.com. Okay. Next, what are the applications of Playwright? We have to see. Applications of Playwright. So the main application is automation testing, as we know. We can use Playwright in automation testing. Next, web application testing. Next, API testing. End-to-end testing. Next, cross-browser testing. I will explain this after completion of writing. CI/CD automation. Next, modern UI testing. Okay, modern UI testing. So these are the applications of Playwright. First one is automation testing. So it is Playwright. You can use it for only automation testing. That is, we don't need to discuss much about that. Next, web application testing. Web application. So we this kind of one of web application, right? This is Flipkart is one kind of a web application. Meesho is one kind of a web application, and Mintra is also one kind of web applications. These kind of web applications can be tested by using Playwright. Okay. Now, not only these, I mean, we are having different kinds of. Then both Mintra, Mintra. Hmm. Okay, we are having lot of applications to test by using Playwright. Okay. Next, API testing. API testing in the sense, once we book an item, then we need to uh, proceed for the payment, right? So when we are going to proceed for the payment, then application has to redirect it to the other payments apps like PhonePe, Google Pay, or any other payment apps. Okay. So it will test whether the application is integrating with the third party or any other applications. Okay. Next, end-to-end testing. End-to-end testing in the sense, we are having so many kinds of testings and all, right, and we have to test each and everything. So it will help to test the application end-to-end. And cross-browser testing in the sense, we can test the same kind of application by using Chrome, Mozilla, Safari. Okay, we are having different kinds of browsers, so it will support to cross-browser testing as well. And CI/CD automation. CI/CD automation, it is easy to integrate with the application and deployment process, right? So it will also helpful for CI/CD automation and modern UI testing. Modern UI means, see, this is the user interface. For Mintra, this is the user interface. Whatever the user is able to see, that is called as user interface. Okay. Flipkart, this is the user interface. Okay. So anything. So we can select. I mean, we have to test all these. Okay. We can test using. We can test these kind of application by using Playwright. These are the applications of Playwright. And next, he see here we had mentioned modern UI testing, right? So here, what is UI? UI is the user interface. So we are having different kinds of UI technologies. Okay, let me write that just for understanding UI. UI, you can say technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript. Okay, these are the front-end UI technologies. Okay. Then what about backend? Backend is Python. For Python, we can use for backend Python, Java, Node.js, and also we require database also. Database in the sense MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB. Okay. Playwright helps us test complete web applications. Okay. Playwright help us test complete web applications. These are the some front end and back end technologies used for the web application, web development. Okay. So yeah, if you have any doubts regarding this session, please comment below, and please do like, share, and subscribe for our upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching. See you in next class.